channel. Long time no see. I'm so sorry. I will be doing an update video very soon, but today I have a box opening video. But yeah, this is kind of a trend of mine where like I make a bunch of videos and then I kind of disappear and then I come back and I do an update video or whatever. Very sorry about that. Just a lot going on, you know. But anyways, let's get to this. I have an exciting box opening video, and I'm not going to sit here and lie and say that I totally forgot I ordered this kit until I pre-ordered it, and then when it came out and I got the thing like, oh, you have to pay your bills ready because the kit's ready or whatever, I totally forgot. So anyways, he's here now. Super exciting, so let's get right into it. Well, you can't see, but as per usual, oh my goodness, he is huge, or the leg is huge. I think this is bigger than maybe Joseph? I don't know. I can see his face! Okay. Here's his other leg. Wow, okay. And do you guys know who it is yet? Do you know who it is? He's big. Wow, I didn't expect him to be so big. So this is not good because I might actually want to keep him now. Because you know me, I love big babies. Okay. Oh, look at the little feet. So cute. Okay, any guesses before I show the head? No? Yes? Maybe? Okay, let's see who it is. Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da! Oh, he's so cute! Oh my gosh, you guys, I might actually want to keep him now. I was like, for sure thinking I was gonna sell him because I didn't even remember I had him coming, so like, why would I keep a baby that I wasn't even that excited for? But look how cute he is! Oh my gosh, he's so freaking cute. He's so cute. Okay, so if you haven't guessed, he is Cody Bear. Ta-da! So yeah, by Laura Tuzio Ross. Obviously, he is sculpted from Julie's Reborns. Wait, Julie Loves Reborns. What's her? I totally forgot. It's been so long since she's made videos. I forgot her name. But anyways, it's her real life baby, if you guys didn't know, but I'm sure most of you did if you're watching this video. But yeah, that is who he is casted from, and I think I'm going to try to replicate the real Cody. I think I'm going to try to replicate his skin tone and hair and everything. Instead of like doing my own thing, which I usually do, because he's just so cute and chunky and adorable. So yeah, that is my box opening for you guys. So excited. Actually, you know what? I don't even have eyes for him. I'm gonna have to order eyes for him. So anyways, that's my box opening. I will probably make an update video for you guys. Basically nothing too exciting has been happening. Just I got a real job. And so I work 40 hours a week, and actually I was working like 60 hours per week because they were doing overtime, so I've just been worked out. And today I am not working because I had a headache and I had to go to urgent care. But anyways, besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed and can't wait to see his progress. I know I can't wait to see his progress, and if you want to see what the finished one looks like, be sure to stay tuned, and as always, thank you guys for watching.